Wow.
Yeah.
I'll show you one trick. Okay, I deal cards and you tell me stop.
Stop.
Okay, I deal cards and you tell me stop.
Stop.
Are you sure? Okay, I deal cards and you tell me stop.
Stop.
Okay, I deal cards and you tell me stop.
Stop.
Yes? Okay. Now, take the deck, deal one by one and stop when you want.
Voila.
Okay, 1, 2, 3 more.
2.
2 more. Very good. Good. Now, count how many cards is there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7.
8 is
8,
good.
8, 8.
1, 8, other 8, other 8, another 8. Good. Good.
Good.
Okay.
Very good.
You see my last trick, the coffee production.
Customer.
Ta-da! Thank you very much. Wapa.
And you notice many difference around the world
Yes.
from the
Shit, it's very
No,
hot.
my
Very
gosh.
hot. Very hot coffee. Shit. It's very, very hot. Yeah, I need to. Okay. What's the question?
I don't remember.
This is misdirection.
Yeah. Right timing.
I like the books, but also I like the DVDs, but also I like the live, at the moment, because the books is not possible to talk you about timing.
Yeah.
Or the relation with the spectator is very difficult to read that in a book.
Ah! Mine
Shit.
too, mine too. Shit.
But it's empty.
That's the magic.
You can do the Divernon Cup with the. One of my god, knowing magic, out of magic, is Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs from Apple. By no Apple, it's the person, Steve Jobs. And I steal many things from him. When I say I steal, it's because we talk the same language. Okay.
Okay.
I steal many things. For example, something for me is God is a rule. It's a God rule. When he say the experience of the client. Wow, one person is thinking from the client point of view. In magic, you can do the same. The experience of the spectator, because you do magic from someone, and you need to see the magic from his point of view, not from your point of view. How? This is another thing. But when you start to see the magic from his point of view, this spectator start to feel another completely different thing. Because a very good act, a very good show, is not a succession of a very strong trick. No. This is like, always I put the same example. If I tell you, look, this chair, now it's floating. You say, wow, unbelievable, it's floating. 15 minutes later, you tell me, you can put the chair on the floor. Yes?
Me too.
Yeah, because you are there.
Yeah.
But now, I tell, like a second effect, I tell you, look, this another chair is floating, and this another. We think because this is very strong, we can do
See, a lot of
stronger trick very second. But this is not true, because when the spectator assimilates the level of the session, now it's very boring. This is to see the magic from a spectator point of view. To do only a very good trick is your point of view. It's like a wow, I am the best. No, but this is your think, no spectator. The spectator in 20 minutes is like a where I park the car. I don't know. It's my house is closed. I don't know if yeah, because when we are talking about session, we are talking about show. We are talking about emotions, and this is no emotion. This is only a very good trick. The first emotion of this very good trick is wow, but when you feel the same wow many times, every wow is less. When you are in the minute 30 of your show, the people is very worried, because it's the same, all is very strong, but all is the same. Always I say in the seminar, talking with Juan many years ago, Juan tell me, Danny, you have a problem with your show. If Tamarit tell you have a problem, it's because the problem is very big. And I say, what happened, Juan? And he say, the first part of your show is very strong. The middle part is very strong. And this is the problem, because when you go to the final, it's very strong. And what's the problem? It's very linear. If it's very linear, the spectator have no emotions. And a very good show is emotion. René Lavant is emotion. Tamariz is emotion. Ricky J is emotion. The 52. I am talking about shows. I am not talking about because it's very easy to take 10 tricks and I do. This is very easy. But a show is another thing. Show is to see the magic from a spectator point of view.
I said the same things about the Shin Lim's performance in American Got Talent.
Yes.
For my point of view, that performance, not Shin Lim,
Yes.
have the same level. Was linear, all the same emotion.
I think so. The same, but
We can put it on the video.
no. But I am sure if Shin Lee do 1 hour show, he don't do the same.
Yep.
Okay, because you can be very linear 15 minutes because 15 minutes is what the spectator put the focus. Okay, for that you can all magician can do 15 minutes. The problem is when you finish your 15 minutes because only rest the person. If the person is not interesting, what you do is not interesting. Okay. The Shinli in this case number act is very beautiful. It's very magical. It's very. But the same act 1 hour, I think is not good. But Shinling is very intelligent. I'm sure if he need to do 1 hour,
Yep.
he don't do the same.
No, man.
He do that for the final because it's what the people is waiting. But sure he talk, sure he walk, sure he do. He is playing with emotions, with emotion. But 15 minutes you can do without problem. The 15 minutes. One of thing I learned from René Lavant is my show is divided in a 15 minutes block, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. The first 15 minutes I am like a metralleta in español.
Yeah.
Okay, I learned that from David Williamson, and the first 15 minutes my timing is very strong, it's very fast, because I want to destroy the spectator. Like the spectator tell me I don't know to know more. Okay, do with me what you want. Okay. This is a theory from Williamson. Williamson say I take the spectator and say you want to know, bluff.
Yeah,
You want to know, bluff. You want to know, and when the spectator is in the floor I say I don't want to know. He say okay, I do magic for you. Okay. This is what I do in the first 15 minutes. Okay, it's like it's a very good structure, but the people don't feel the structure of the tricks. It's very only for destroy the logic of the spectator. The spectator see a very impossible trick in a very short time, and the spectator lost the capacity to understand because it's many things. The problem is if I continue more than 15 minutes, I destroy not the mind, I destroy the spectator, physical. I destroy it because it's okay, no more. Then after 15 minutes, I need to change because we are playing with emotions. I need to change, and what I do the block where it's completely the opposite. Usually I do the mathematical trick when I suck the finger to the spectator where it's 10 minutes where it's no magic. It's only left, here, but the effect is very strong. You know, I finish one block in my show, always when I do that. When I do that on the table, I finish one block. Because this is the stronger part of this part. Okay, always Paco Rodas from Sevilla, he say, because he look at me 10 times per week, always when I show, he go out to smoke. And he tell me, I know in what part of your show are you, because I listen the touch the table. Then, when I finish a block, I learn something from René. What I do is, I stand up and I put from the spectator. In this case, René Lavant receipt. He count a history.
Yes.
Because I am very bad talking about that. What I do is a trick. I do the any kind of number with two spectator, and later I do the open triumph. Okay? I have some more, like anywhere, nowhere from Hoffinger, some more, but always from the table. But from the table is only 2 minutes, because what I want is to break the linearity. The linear. Now the magic is not linear because the timing is very strong. Now I do something you invade the incertidumbre area of the spectator. It's different when you are looking the magician from there, but when the magician is here, now you are like and this is what I try to do when I am from the spectator.
Yep.
When the open triumph, for example, is face up and face down, I am very close to the spectator and I say, can you touch? It's like a shit is here. No, it's like another emotion. because the magic is emotions. After, when I do the any canny number, I go and I do the mathematic trick. Okay? Now I stand up again, but I don't do trick. I say, we have many candid of 3, blah, 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 and I introduce the next trick. In this moment, I sit and I do, depending of the block I do. Usually I do the homage block, where I talk about Tamariz, I talk about Hoffinser, I talk about Larry Jennings, and depends who I talk, I do one thing or another thing. If I talk about Hoffinser, I do Anywhere Nowhere.
Yep.
If I talk about Robert Uden, I do the General Car. If I talk about Larry Jennings, I do the Reyes Cazadores. If I talk about Tamariz, I do the Coincidence. Okay? But my attitude is very relaxed. I talk about the master, joking sometimes because it's but always it's the person. No, it's not the person. It's not the character. It's the person. Everything what I say is true. I never say yesterday in Vegas. One guy, if I don't be in Vegas, because I am person before
It's
the
the
artist.
persona.
Yes,
the character,
because the people valora that. It's valored that, and for me, it's very very important. For example,
the people can feel it.
yeah. One of the best piropos that people tell me is, I feel you enjoy. If the people tell me, I feel you enjoy, this is the best. Because if I enjoy, you enjoy. I explain a secret for your followers. This is a secret of Tamariz. I don't know if he talked about that, but this is about the boys. Okay? Tamariz tell me